Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Ever turn your key, hear the engine purr, but nothing? Your automatic sits frozen, refusing to budge an inch, like a stubborn mule on strike. Don't panic. Today, we're cracking the code of this transmission tantrum, exploring the culprits behind a car stuck in park, and showing you how to get your wheels rolling again. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many of you may have encountered: why your automatic transmission car won't move in any gear. We'll explore the possible causes behind this problem and provide some troubleshooting tips to help you get back on the road. So, let's get started. 1. Low transmission fluid. One of the most common reasons for a car not moving in any gear is low transmission fluid. Insufficient fluid levels can prevent the transmission from engaging properly. We recommend checking your transmission fluid level using the dipstick and topping it up if necessary. Remember to use the manufacturer recommended fluid type. 2. Transmission fluid leaks. If you find that your transmission fluid level is consistently low, it could indicate a leak in the system. Leaks can occur from damaged seals, gaskets, or even a cracked transmission pan. Inspect the area around your transmission for any signs of fluid leakage. If you spot a leak, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for repairs. 3. Faulty transmission solenoid. The transmission solenoid is responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid within the system. If it becomes faulty or fails, it can disrupt the gear engagement process, resulting in a car that won't move. Consider having a qualified technician diagnose and replace the faulty solenoid if needed. 4. Torque converter issues. The torque converter is a vital component that allows the engine to transfer power to the transmission. If it malfunctions, it can prevent the car from moving. Symptoms of torque converter problems include strange noises, slipping gears, or a lack of response when shifting. Seek professional assistance to diagnose and repair any torque converter issues. 5. Transmission control module, TCM, problems. The TCM is responsible for managing various aspects of the transmission's operation. If it experiences a malfunction or fails, it can lead to gear engagement issues. Have a professional mechanic scan the TCM for error codes and perform any necessary repairs or replacements. With regard to a faulty TCM, consider the following. A. Electrical problems. Faulty wiring, loose connections, or damaged electrical components within the TCM can disrupt its communication with the transmission, causing a lack of movement in any gear. B. TCM software issues. Sometimes, software glitches or outdated TCM programming can lead to transmission-related problems. Updating or reprogramming the TCM may be necessary to resolve the issue. 6. Transmission fluid contamination. Contaminated transmission fluid can hinder the proper functioning of the transmission. Over time, the fluid can become dirty or contaminated with debris, leading to issues with gear engagement. Consider having a transmission fluid flush and filter replacement performed by a professional to ensure clean and optimal fluid circulation. 7. Clutch problems, if applicable. For vehicles equipped with a dual-clutch transmission, clutch problems can be a culprit for the car not moving. Worn-out clutch plates or a malfunctioning clutch actuator can prevent the transmission from engaging properly. Consult a specialized mechanic who can inspect and repair the clutch system if necessary. 8. Mechanical linkage issues. In some cases, mechanical linkage problems can prevent the transmission from shifting into gear. This can occur due to worn-out or misaligned linkage components. Inspect the linkage system for any signs of damage or misadjustment. If needed, consult a professional to realign or replace the affected parts. 9. Internal transmission damage. Internal damage within the transmission itself can cause gear engagement problems. This can be due to worn-out gears, a damaged torque converter, or other internal components. Diagnosing and repairing internal transmission issues requires expertise and specialized equipment, so it's best to consult a professional transmission specialist. 10. Electrical system malfunctions. Electrical issues can disrupt the communication between various transmission components, leading to gear engagement problems. Faulty sensors, wiring problems, or a malfunctioning transmission range sensor can all contribute to the car not moving. Have a qualified technician perform a thorough electrical system diagnosis to identify and resolve any issues. 11. Failed transmission pump. The transmission pump circulates fluid throughout the transmission. If the pump fails, the transmission won't receive the necessary hydraulic pressure to function, resulting in a lack of movement. DIY fixes and when to call the pros. Ignoring a stuck transmission can lead to further damage and expensive repairs. Fluid fix, topping up or changing low or dirty transmission fluid can sometimes solve the problem. Consult your manual for the right type and procedure. Sensor check, resetting or replacing faulty sensors can be relatively simple, depending on the specific sensor. Call the pros. Complex issues like clutch problems, internal damage, or major repairs require the expertise of a qualified mechanic. Don't attempt these yourself. Bonus tips. Regularly service your car according to the maintenance schedule, including transmission fluid checks and changes. Avoid harsh shifts and overloading your car, putting undue strain on the transmission. When in doubt, always consult a qualified mechanic for serious transmission issues. Remember, diagnosing and repairing transmission-related problems can be complex and require specialized knowledge. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with performing any repairs yourself, it's always recommended to seek the assistance of a professional mechanic or transmission specialist. They have the expertise and tools necessary to accurately diagnose and fix the issue, ensuring your car gets back on the road smoothly. There you have it, folks. We've explored some common causes behind why your automatic transmission car won't move in any gear. Remember, it's essential to address these issues promptly to avoid further damage to your vehicle. If you're unable to diagnose or fix the issue, always consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and fix it for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and may your drives be smooth and trouble-free.